Let's talk about doors and how to get images on there and how to link to different places within the Infiniverse. On your template, let's scroll down on our entrance lobby and let's talk about doors. For each of these doors, you want to give it an image that fits that size. So remember, this is a 1x1. So let's go and upload a file for it. And let's say I want to link back to my home. So I've got an image for that. I'll open and I'll add it. And then from the location dropdown, you'll notice you have several options. By default, location is selected, and this is everything in your metaverse. So you can link to all of your properties. Let's go down and find my home. Yes, I might be a little obsessed with Infiniverse. Here's my multiverse home. So if I click on that and I click save, don't forget to click save. Now I have a door with this image and it goes to an area in my metaverse, which is my multiverse home. Now let's talk about how you can attach a door to someone else's Infiniverse. Remember how I showed you the apartments all have their own link, and all of your created templates, such as this entrance lobby, has their own link. When you want to link to somebody else's, you'll need two things from them. The first thing you'll need is a nice, pretty door image. Here's Sans. He was nice enough to give me his door image. And he also gave me that link to his central hub. Instead of using location, what you'll need to do is come down and change this to a metaverse URL. When you click on metaverse URL, then you just paste in the link that they gave you. Now remember, it'll probably start with that personal, their username, blah, 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 and it'll go to the name of their location. You can see I've already added this once. And then when I click save, now this door will go to Gamer Sans InfiniHub. And you can keep doing that for every door location that you have. If you want to link to an Oculus browser URL, that's a little trickier. You'll need to go out to Oculus, to the website, search for your game or whatever you want to attach it to, and you'll need to go get the number for it. Let me show you what I mean by that. Here I've gone out to the Oculus website and I've searched for one of my favorite programs, Supernatural. What you're looking for is this number on the back end of that URL. All you need to do is copy that, come back over to your multiverse, and you're going to choose Oculus App Launch. When you click that, it's going to give you an example of what it's looking for, and we'll just paste that number right in there. We'll hit save. And what's a good door without an image? Now, unfortunately, it doesn't fit right, and you can see it doesn't fit right, but you know what? It's going to get the job done. And so now I have a link to an Oculus app that when I click on this door, the multiverse will kind of fade away. It won't turn off, but Supernatural will open for me. So while I'm working on my storefront, I can get a quick little exercise in. Last but not least, let's go up to the very top of our page and let's talk about customizing up here. You can change this banner in the same way, but just keep in mind this banner right here won't be seen by anybody but you. So this is just a visual cue for you. This, on the other hand, is a totally different story. By clicking on this icon, now you can put an icon that will show up on people's wristwatch for the rooms that they visited. So when people look on their wristwatch after visiting your room, they will see that icon with the name of your room.